Okay, so I'm viewing the site as a public user, and I'd like to talk a little bit about user groups. Okay, let's set up a registered user. Okay, so I need to go to User Manager, and I already have one I set up earlier when I was just testing permissions. Let's go ahead and delete Joe. So yeah, no reason to keep him. Okay, goodbye, Joe. Okay, so then I have myself still here as a super user. So let's look at user groups. All right. Now, there's a whole lot of different features here. We're going to be talking about registered, but of course, right now we are all super users. Okay, so the registered user. And what I want to do now is create something different than myself here as a super user. I'll create a new user. All right. So I'm going to type in here Douglas Fur. Okay, there we go. Why not? And we'll make his login name Douglas. Okay, and of course he needs a password. Okay, and the email here, it really doesn't matter, so it's a fake email anyway, so we'll just go ahead and put in something like treefan at treelover.com. Why not? Okay, I'm not too worried about any of that other stuff right now, the date and all that. And anyway, so it's set as a registered user, which is what we want. Okay, now there's all these other users here too that can have different sets of permissions. Okay, the basic one though is the registered user. Okay, and let's go ahead and just save. Okay, and so we have created a new user, and this is a registered user. And now we want to create some content that only registered users can see. All right, and so I'm going to close out of this. Okay, and there's our users right there. And as you can see, Douglas Fur is a registered user. All right, so now I need to create content for that we want to make only visible to registered users. So of course we got to create a new category for that. And I'm going to call this, well, let's call it Tree Secrets. Okay, and why not? And then we'll go ahead and put in a little text. I don't know. A place for registered users. Easy enough, right? And we'll go ahead and enter in an image too, okay? Since it'd be nice to have an image on the category blog right off the bat. So let's find something that's not too big. Okay. Grab this leaf. Okay, there we go. And that seems to work just fine so far. And we'll go ahead and do a little formatting here. Why not make that a heading 2? And yeah, okay, I think that's looking pretty good. The most important part though is this part that says access right here. Okay, it's set to public right now, okay? And the whole site is public. We're going to change this to registered, okay? So that's something new. So we're going to save and close. Okay, now, what we want to do now is create a menu item because we created a category, but we need to go ahead and link that to a menu item that is linking to a category blog. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select a category blog. Okay. Whoops, not category list, category blog. There we go. Okay. And for the menu title, again, we'll just go with Tree Secrets. Tree Secrets. Okay, there we go. And we need to choose Tree Secrets as the category. Okay, and set that to registered as well. Okay, so the menu and the category are both set to registered. And you probably know what's coming now. We're going to create an article. Okay, and this is an article within the Tree Secrets category. And we'll just call it Trees. Trees are awesome. Why not? I think we'll grab that panda picture and put it on there. Okay, so of course it has to be in the Tree Secrets category. And let's go ahead and find, let's see here. There we go, the panda picture. Okay, image title. Pandas love bamboo. Okay, that's true. Okay, so there we go. And we have some content for our secret or tree secrets category that we're going to put in a registered user area of the site. Okay, so again, access registered. Okay, and let's go ahead and just save it now. Okay, so we'll come over here and we'll refresh. All right. Now, it's not up here yet, okay? And that's because I'm still viewing the front end as a public user, okay? So we have to put a login module. I'm going to put it down at the bottom. All right, so we have to go to the module manager now. Okay, so you might have one right here, okay? If not, you just have to go to new and create one. I'm going to go ahead and just keep this right here, bottom A for my position, okay? It just depends on what template you're using, of course. And make sure it's published, okay? Now, again, if you don't have this yet, just go up here and just select it, okay? There's a login module built into Joomla all ready to go, okay? Easy enough. Okay, so now let's go over here and refresh. Okay, and hopefully our login, there it is, our login module, and that's exactly what we're looking for, okay? And of course, it's not there yet, and why isn't it there yet? I have to log in as Douglas Fir, all right? And Douglas Fir, login name is just Douglas here, okay? And let's go ahead and do that now. So let's log in as Douglas. Okay, enter in the password, and there you go. Okay, long menu. It's kind of overlapping on top, but see that? Tree secrets right there. Okay, and there is some content only available to registered users. See, if I log out, kicks me off that page. It tells me I have to log in first if I want to access it, okay? So that is how you deal with registered users and the login module, and it's how you can create content that's only available to members of your site.